could just kind of, Raymond, tell me, so you've been here for, 4 or 5, 6 months now. What tips would you give to someone who's looking to making the move from the banking world into the broker channel? Other than, having a great regional manager like myself. No, I'm just kidding.
Yes, you are.
But well, of course, what would you give some sage advice to people who are considering making that change?
Now, I would say don't take it lightly. Obviously, if you're like myself, we plan a lot of things ahead of time. Now, obviously, this is your career, this is your business, you're an entrepreneur on this side. So know that it takes a long time to prepare the move. So
Yep.
whether or not it's making sure you're there financially, whether or not you want to make sure that you've got the mental state, that you have the capacity to and energy to make that transition from the bank to the broker space.
Mhm.
Make sure that you give yourself time, you prepare everything, and like you said, I mean, I know you were laughing a little bit there. You are quite a bit of help there, David. So I know that in making the move, I can always call on you. I know that even before we made the move, we have access to all this marketing and training and stuff that Mortgage Alliance provides. So anybody that wants to make that move will have access to that.
And that's a big thing. It's the support piece, right? Myself being a former banker as well, coming over, we like having the support. We come from an environment where we like to have the support channels, right? So that's something that we try, to build our model around is to making sure you guys feel comfortable when you come over. And that's why we do see a lot of, bankers coming to work with us. We say we're the bank of brokers, right? Because we definitely do see more of the bankers coming in to work with us because we do have a lot of them. So